Hello guys, welcome to our historical and cultural complex Şıмкent. This complex is one of the valued archaeological sites of our country. Our open-air museum complex covers an area of 4.5 hectares. In the Middle Ages, ancient city consisted of three parts: Rabat, Şahristan, and Citadel. The most interesting exhibit in the Citadel is Sayram columns. These columns dates back to 1054 years, and the Sayram columns found in Moscow Prophet Idris in Sayram city. This column written by Cook inscription in the low belt write, Allah and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, not God without Allah, and the month of Ramadan for 104 years. So, as the legend said, if you hug this column or touch this column, unmarried people will get married and all of these wishes will come true. You can touch